In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps me out and allows me to bring you more great content. Now let's dive right into it. Adding an electronic signature in Google Forms can be super useful for various situations, whether you're collecting signatures for contracts, permission slips, or any form of acknowledgement. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is launch Google Forms and open up the form to which you'd like to add the signature. Once you're in your form, look at the top right corner, and you'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the option that says More, and then click on Get Add-ons. Now you'll be directed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a hub full of various add-ons and tools that can enhance your Google experience. Once you're in this marketplace, it's time to search for the add-on we need. In the search bar at the top, type in Signature and then hit Enter. Among the results, you should see an add-on that looks appealing. It's widely used with over 4 million users. This is the one we want. Go ahead and click on that add-on. Click the Install button, and then it will prompt you to click Continue to allow the necessary permissions. You'll need to select your Google account, and then you'll be taken to another screen where more permissions will be requested. Just scroll down and click Allow. This process just takes a few moments, and once you finish, you'll see a confirmation that the add-on has been installed successfully. You can now close the Marketplace tab. Now here's where it gets interesting. We need to create a way to capture responses. Head over to the Responses tab within your form. You'll want to link your form to Google Sheets for collecting responses effectively. Click on the option that says Link to Sheets, and then you'll have a choice to create a new spreadsheet. Go ahead and click Create, and just like that, your form is linked to Sheets. Once that's done, a new tab will open displaying your newly created spreadsheet. This is super important, so ensure it's been established before you continue. Now, head back to the top of your Google form and click on Add-ons in the menu. You should see the signature add-on you just installed. Go ahead and click on that, then select Open. After a moment, you should see the add-on interface pop up on the right side of your screen, complete with several options. The first step is to click on Sync Form. This will ensure that your current form setup is in line with what the add-on expects. Just click that, and it will start syncing your form settings. Now, you're ready to have users submit their signatures. Click on the Take Signature option. This action will open another new tab where you'll see designated areas for signatures. Users can simply click to sign or even type their names. For example, let's say someone wants to sign as William. They can do that. Create their digital signature and submit it just like they would normally do in any form. Before you send out your form, make sure to copy this link for distribution, as it's specifically set for public sharing. Don't confuse it with links from Google Docs. This one is the actual form link you want your users to use. Once someone submits the form, you'll want to check out their responses. Simply click on See Responses to view what has been submitted. Remember, if you haven't linked your form to a spreadsheet beforehand, you might encounter an error. But as you can see on my test form, I can easily view the submitted response and their digital signature right with it. And there you have it. It's that straightforward to add an electronic signature to your Google Forms. By following these steps, you're set to streamline signature collection in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Happy form building, and I'll see you in the next video.